What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some pork burgers. Ooh, it's good, so let's go. Yes, sir. That's right, baby, the pork burger. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, what have you done this time, you little rascal? Well, I took some ground pork that I had. I got plenty of ground pork in that freezer. And that's the thing about this. You know, usually when you think of a hamburger, you think of burger, you think of ground beef. But today, we're going to be using the old pork, the Porky Pig, because it's a little bit cheaper. And like I said, I got a bunch of it. So, without further ado, let's get to the show. Now, first thing that you got to do when you make a burger, you got to make your burger. So, take your ground beef, and what I did is patty mine out. Now, if you have a hamburger press, you can go ahead and do this the fancy way, Squilliam Fancy Pants, but I didn't have one, and I ain't got time for that shit, so went ahead and pressed mine out by hand the old-fashioned way. Now, once you get them pressed out, you want to get your pan, get it hot to trot, and put those burgers down in said pan. Now, we got to season the things, because if we don't, ain't gonna have no flavor. So, first thing that we got to do, buddy, salt and pepper. And, you know, today, I really think that a little bit of salt and just a little bit of that black pepper too is all we're really going to need. I don't think this pork burger is going to need much else. Now, you put your seasonings on there, you flip it, and once you get a good golden brown crisp on the outside, because that's going to make it good, then I want you to take your burger out, and we're ready to put the damn thing together. You see how easy that was, buddy boy. Now, get your bun, split that thing open, and today I just got regular old cheap hamburger buns, you know. That inflation's killing me. So, we took our hamburger bun, we split it open, and we're going to start today with a bed of lettuce. It's going to give us a nice, fresh feel to the thing. It's going to make us feel like we're healthy, but we're not, Richard Simmons. Now, go ahead and take your lettuce, put it on the bottom. Then I want you to go ahead and add that pork burger, do the damn thing. Now, next. The thing about this burger, and the thing about any burger, is you can make it any way. Today, I'm kind of going with a spicy barbecue theme, as I often do, you know me. So, we're going to put the burger on there, and now I'm going to add some red onion that I chopped up. You can use yellow onion, you can use white onion. Like I say, I'm going for the spice of life. So, a little purple on there, and then spice it up just a little bit more. We're going to add some jalapeno, buddy. Make your nose run, make you go. So, put your jalapeno on there, and then we're going to add a little barbecue sauce. Once again, I'm using that Buffalo Wild Wings barbecue sauce because, you know, I got it in the house. So, sprinkle a little bit of that on there, and buddy boy, I think we done. I think we ready for a big old sight, for a big old beautiful bite tonight. And boy, my mouth is watering, so I got to go. Yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The pork burger is done, and I'm having the first bite for myself, so excuse me if I make a mess on you, table, because I probably will. Now, I did make a mess too, but it's worth it, baby. So worth it, because that's a good burger. And you know, with that pork, it gives it just a little something different. It's not your everyday burger. It's wonderful, man. It's beautiful. And I want to thank all you beautiful people for joining me on another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to get back to my burger. So, y'all see y'all next time. I love you. Have fun. Yeah.